Hello everyone, my name is Duke and welcome back to another episode of Ask Us Anything or Awoowa. I hope the mic didn't crack on that. This is an episode where we gather your questions from the internet and try to answer them. In today's episode, we will be answering how's the quality of the Oppo Find X5 Pro and what is in the biofuel that's used by the Malaysian Airlines in their flights. Lokman, cue the intro. But first, we'll start with a question from Abel Wong who asks, I'm looking for a tower/bladeless fan, but I'm not sure where to start. Any recommendation? Nice. Thank you for your question. Both a tower fan and a bladeless fan essentially achieves the same objective. So, here are the things that you need to look out for when shopping for these fans. Number one is the noise level. How loud does the fan get at the speed that you want? This could be important if you want to place the fan in somewhere quiet like a study room. Number 2. The speed settings. How much control of the fan speed do you get? And finally, you have your additional features, which include HEPA filter for air purification, a remote control, oscillation, and sleep timer durations. Here's an example of a Dyson bladeless fan. This desk version is no longer in production, so you only can get a tower design, but this is just for illustration purposes. Dyson's bladeless fans come with a HEPA filter, a 10-speed control for the fan speed, and a remote control that magnetically attaches to the top. Cool, right? Furthermore, they can even oscillate and tilt. More expensive models will come with wireless connectivity. Pricing for the Dyson Tower Fan starts from 1,499 ringgit and can go all the way up to 3,299 ringgit. An alternative example would be this Daewoo F10 bladeless fan, which can be had for 599 ringgit and features an air filter. As for regular tower fans, you can get something like this Pensonic PTW111 for 119 ringgit. But this does not come with a remote control. If you want something that's a little smarter, here's a fan from Xiaomi that you can control via an app from your smartphone. The best way to find out if a tower fan meets your criteria is to head on down to a local home appliance store and test out a demo unit. Moving on, let's look at a few questions regarding the Oppo Find X5 Pro. First question is from Everstar, who asks, how is the build quality? The Oppo Find X5 Pro is built from metal, glass and ceramic, so it feels premium in the hands. It is also hefty, further giving the impression of a solid build quality. The next question is from KYU85, who asks, so, how is Oppo's firmware update? Does it get monthly security update? How's the hardware support in Malaysia? Do we need to wait to send the phone back to China? Or wait months for spare parts? How does it fare with Waze? Previously, Oppo phone just refused to load Waze. If this is good, I might consider getting myself one. Let's answer those questions one at a time, starting with software support. Firstly, the Oppo Find X5 Pro gets 3 years of software support, which is less than Samsung's 4 years for the Galaxy S22 series, but is more than the 2 years the Oppo Find X3 got. For monthly security updates, we just got one right here with our Oppo Find X5 unit. Oppo has promised 4 years of security updates for the Find X5 Pro, which is 1 year less than what Samsung has promised for the Galaxy S22 series. The Oppo Find X5 Pro also comes with premium services such as a free send-in courier service, which sends a representative from Oppo over to your place to pick up your Find X5 Pro, send it for service, and then return it back to you. There is also a dedicated 24-hour exclusive hotline for priority customer service. If you wish to send in your Oppo by yourself, you can check out Oppo's website for a list of service centers near you. Finally, to address the issues with Waze not loading on an Oppo phone, let's try it out on our Oppo Find X5 unit right here. Click on Waze and There we go. Waste loads, nice and quick, no issues whatsoever. See, all good. So, would you consider getting the Find X5 now? Or do you agree with Rory's opinion on the phone, which you can see here? And let me know in the comment section. Finally, we come to the topic of Malaysian Airlines using Sustainable Aviation Fuel or SAF for the flight from Malaysia to Singapore on the 5th of June 2022. Farhan says, biodiesel fuels from used cooking oil has always been a thing for cars and trucks, so it's great to see such idea getting spread to aviation fuel. Yes, biodiesel can be made from vegetable oil, yellow grease, used cooking oil or animal fats, and it's the same with SAF fuel as well. Malaysian Airlines uses SAF produced by Nest, the world's leading producer of renewable biodiesel and SAF. They produce SAF from used cooking oil and animal fat waste. In December of 2021, Malaysian Airlines did a test flight from Amsterdam to Malaysia using a plane running on a mixture of jet fuel and SAF comprised of mainly used cooking oil. As for the passenger flight from Malaysia to Singapore, the plane will be using a jet fuel with a 38% mixture of SAF comprising of animal fat waste. For more information, you can read the full article at soyachinchao.com. The link will be in the description below. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Remember guys, there are no hard answers, just hard questions. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye!